What's up and welcome back to another video. Now today it's going to be a little bit weird because I'm actually filming two videos at the same time. Finishing up my living room furniture right now, but since I have all this stuff out because I'm building this furniture in the workshop, I decided to knock out the flooring now while I have it available. As you can see, I only did the flooring on my slide out over here, but not in the rest of my trailer. So my sister is on her way over here because she likes doing this type of thing. So I'm going to knock this out with her. She's going to help me film, help me put this stuff together. So this should be a good video. Let's get into it, man. I'm not even buying this fucking All right. That's not the right one. Oh, they have it.
That's smaller than the other one was, wasn't it?
Still the same square foot price. And they have a different one too. So we went to Lowe's to pick up the new flooring, and then when I got back, I just tried to strip up the old floor. And as soon as I did, that's when I found it. Water damage. This right here, this is looking like water damage. When I pull this up, yep, look at that. This whole floor right here. So I'm gonna have to what I'm gonna have to do. I know why this happened too. On the other side of this fridge, there's a vent out there, and the vent isn't completely slanted down, like there's no cover on it. So when it rains, if the water comes in sideways, it's gonna rush water in. It's gonna come down underneath, and then come right here. So I'm gonna have to put a cover on that. I'm gonna have to fix this water damage now on the floor. Put a cover on that shit so it won't keep coming, because this whole area right here is coming from right where that vent is on the other side. I knew everything was just going too smooth today. There's no way this was gonna be a 3-hour job. Yeah, over here it's clean. You can see where the water just stops. It's actually not that bad. It's just like moisture. But once I get the moisture out from coming in, then when I replace the flooring, it'll be better, because this is fine over here. That's fine. This is where it's just damp. So luckily I'm catching this now, so it's not just going to be under there for more years than it's already been. It looks like it's been probably getting wet under there for about a year at least. Yep, the easiest way to get the water damage is to just take it down a layer. But if it was like really bad and it was going all the way down, you would have to just cut it out and then put new wood down inside that hole. But luckily, it's just damp, so I can just get it down underneath where because this isn't even mold yet, it doesn't even stink. So I got lucky. It's now 10:30 at night, and nothing got done yet.
Listen, this man told me, he called me on the phone and he said, it's going to be like 3 hours and the whole thing is going to be done. And I was like, oh, are you just going to do the kitchen or are you just going to do the living room? I was like, no, I'm going to run down, going to do the entire RV. The whole thing is going to be done in 3 hours. I was like, that sounds a little bit ambitious, but you know what? We're going to roll with it. It's now 9 hours later. We've been to 4 stores just to get the flooring. Come in here, and then what happened?
We found the water damage.
We found the water damage. And guess what's still not done? Any of the flooring. None of the flooring.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap, man.
That's the end of day 1. Oh shit, it's on my feet.
Pretty much after another full day of stripping the floor, I finally got this entire living room area completely stripped out. All the water damage is gone. It's looking clean. So now I can finally lay down the flooring. Oh, what's up, guys? I was just practicing some guitar. So I finished the floors. I did the bathroom a little bit differently, but I still had a bunch of work to do. So I actually ended up finishing this media console in the TV area. I rebuilt that. So you guys are going to end up seeing that in the next video because I don't want this video to be too long. But a lot of people have been asking me about what I've been doing for my workouts and fitness and stuff like that. So me and my friends actually started a fitness YouTube channel where we're going to be doing a lot of tips and tricks and competitions between all of us all together. So it should be really exciting. So we actually already did our first competition for that. I'm featured in that video, so go check that video out if you want to see what's up with that. You want to see some more of me or whatever. But other than that, you know, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for this one in a couple days. You know, I already got the clips for it, so we're just gonna edit and put it out. Oh, see you guys later. 9, 10.